Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a house tour as promised. I said my next video is going to be a house tour about my apartment, and it seems like everybody has been hyped about it because I've gotten like DM saying house tour, and I'm like, guys, I don't want to let you down. I don't want your hopes to be up and then I just like shatter it and everything. The house is not fancy, it's not anything big, it's a shared apartment. You get, like, we actually share like the lounge and the kitchen, but it's in suite rooms. But I don't know, I just want you guys to like expect something really really big and then you just see something really tiny and you be like, is that it? So yes guys, so if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Please can give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and let's go right into it. So guys, this is actually our lounge. It's actually a shared space because, like I stated, it's a shared apartment. We have this TV here and we have Netflix subscription on it. I don't know, this table we just really never use it. We just put our meals here, like parcels and everything that comes. We have this, yeah, we actually use this to maybe eat or drink whenever we're sitting in the parlor watching TV. So we have this Hoover that actually came in the house, which is actually nice because then you don't have to go buy yours, you just come to the house. And yeah, so yeah, we have this fridge. We actually have two. This one is shared. We are actually three using this one. Yeah, it's so nice. And this is actually my compartment. Yeah, then this side belongs to me, just for my juice, my milk and everything. It's actually nice. Everybody just cleans up after themselves. We have an electric kettle. Then we have this washing machine. Okay, I think someone is actually washing, but I paused it because I didn't want the noise to interfere. We also have a dryer that's dry, because most times the washing machine doesn't dry completely, so we just take it to the dryer. So we just put our stuff here, put our bean bags and our detergent and everything laundry related. Everybody, because it's actually like 5 rooms here, so like everybody has their washing liquid because nobody can use anybody's stuff. And we also have a dishwasher, look, which is actually really nice. I didn't actually see a lot of houses that came with dishwasher, so it's actually really nice. We have these drawers. Everybody just puts their cutleries here. Okay, I think this belongs to some other couples, and yeah, it's just nice. So we have this cupboard where we just put our plates, put everything, and it's nice. So this cupboard belongs to me. I just put my food stuff, everything. So my spices, pepper, crayfish. I'm actually running out. I don't know, I'll have to figure out a way of getting some more from Nigeria because it's really really expensive here. And I have this like hidden in yeah, and then the things on top belong to me also. Cereals, palm oil, granite oil, and then that's like a carton of tomato, rice, then see my yam, of course. Yeah. So we have like these cookers or ovens or whatever they are. And then this, so yeah, I use it to like when I want to make bacon or sausage or something. I don't really bake though. And then we have like this dining table, like everybody eats here, but I don't know if people are eating here. Sometimes I could just stay there to eat because I don't want to maybe interfere with their happy time. Then we actually have like 4 bins in our kitchen. We actually how do I put it, like we sort out our bins very well. Like we have the ones for papers. This blue goes for like paper, cardboards, all those things. And then brown, we put our bottles, tins, glass bottles, shampoo bottles, everything. And then this is for food waste. Remember, if you checked when I opened the cupboard under the sink, it actually had like this green compostable bags. That's what like we put it in. And then this goes to like the pink bin. There's like this bin. The bin looks like this, yeah. Then we have these for like every other thing, like food wraps, chocolate wraps, all those things. Yeah, so this is actually the kitchen. It's actually like really nice. we have like this open space at the top, and I don't know, it's just really nice. Okay, so we have like a tiny backyard. I'm just gonna do this. It's just very, very tiny actually. Then we just keep like a lot of junk stuff there, and yeah, it's nice. So I'm just gonna lock it back so we don't get robbed. Yeah, basically, yeah. So that's what the communal area comprises of: the parlor and the kitchen, which is actually really nice. Then this is just like the general area. Like just going from there, you take off your shoes, because we always try to take off our shoes so that the road can stay clean. And then the staircase. So there's actually like 4 other rooms upstairs. Yeah, it's like 2 floors. There's like 3 rooms on this first floor, and then there's 1 room at the top. That room is actually very big and the most expensive in the house. And this blue door right here is my room, closest to the kitchen, parlor, and closest to the entrance. Okay guys, this is actually my room, the blue door. Like all the doors in this house have like different colors, so that's how we're able to like differentiate which room is which. I have my water here, and I don't bother throwing the empty bottles in the bin because we have bins for like different things, and I just want to like keep my bin just papers and stuff like that. And I buy my water because I don't like the taste of the tap water, and that's mostly what people here in the UK drink. Have my wardrobe and this tiny little basket on top, my speaker because sometimes I just like to like jam up, you know. And I got my air freshener. Like this thing smells so nice. Yeah, it's almost running out. Yeah, whatever. So I got this where I hang my jackets. I still have like some more at the back, and I think I have space, but yeah, I have just 1 space, but yeah, whatever though. And my towel. Yes, this is actually my bed. This is where the magic happens because I really love my sleep. So like this corner is actually really, really unkempt. Is the landlord. He keeps telling me he's going to come do it, and he never does. So like the router and everything is actually in my room. So I actually like it because I'm able to get like an Ethernet cable and get like stronger network and stuff. So I have this. Where are you? Why are you hiding? I have this. So this is like the closest thing to a fan that we have here, because you can see up, there's nothing like a ceiling fan here, and there is no AC. So basically we just depend on the weather being cold from like the window and stuff. So I got this for like I think £30 from Tesco. There was a time that there was a heat wave. There's a heat wave in the UK. Like it was just so hot that we just couldn't take it any longer. So I just went and I got that fan because it didn't come in the room. Yeah, because basically the UK is almost always cold, so people don't really like get fans and ACs and aircons and stuff. So yeah, that's it. Trying not to show myself in the mirror. Okay, so like this is my little space where I just have like my I don't know, my toiletries, my air fresh. Did I just say air freshener? My deodorant, my perfume. I actually got this from is it body fragrance? Yeah, I think so. Like they have like these student discounts on uni days, so I got that from there. I got all this, yeah, discounted student rate. So basically you just need to sign up on uni days and you get like all your student discounts. And yeah, so yeah, my laptop, I don't take my laptop to school because there are actually computers in the library, and you can just log on whenever you want, wherever you want, and everything you were doing just like transfers there. Because I logged on what's it called, the Outlook, I don't know, I just logged on the drive, so my school drive basically. So once I just log on in school, it just goes there, and then I just have like all these. I have my Pringles, and then I have this, I got this from Boots, zinc, just for immunity, because you know, can't be too careful with the pandemic and stuff. And yeah, under my table is unkempt as usual. I just throw stuff on that day and all that. And then like I love this space actually because I use it to do like a lot of things. But I'm gonna get a TV soon, because although there's a TV, like our house actually came with like the TV, but I don't know, I won't just get a TV and a game or something, because sometimes I want to actually watch TV and somebody else is there watching. So I don't know. And I have my trash, have my laundry bag. So I'm just gonna show you my bathroom. So yeah, this is my toilet. So since I moved in, the landlord has said, oh, I'm gonna come fix this, but then they are just full of empty promises. So that's one thing you guys have to be careful about when you're actually going house hunting, because they're going to make a lot of promises that they're not going to keep to. And yeah, tissue stand, and then all these cleaning stuff. So this actually does the magic. I think I got this from Poundland or something. Yeah, so it does like a lot of magic. Removes like the scales, like, you know, that, I don't know what it's called. I have my face wash, because pimples will never let me be. So I have this, and I actually have this tiny little thing I used to wash my face, and my beautiful sponge, of course. So I got this from where, I think Poundland, for like 99p or £1, something like that. Then this really trying harder to show myself in the mirror. So I have this space where I just keep like all these things and stuff like that. So that's basically my toilet. This is my bed. It's actually not dressed actually. So I came with this duvet from Nigeria. I got it as a wedding gift, and actually came with it, yeah, from Stacy's bedding. It's really nice and comfortable. So basically, I think that's all about my room. Just gonna show you what my view looks like. So yeah, this is what my view looks like. And so this curtain is actually, oh my god, like if you actually close the place, it becomes like hot, that kind of thing. So it's just nice, it helps to regulate heat. So basically that's all that there is about my room. So it's not so big, but I don't know, it's just there. Actually, it's not what I'm used to, but I'm managing it for now. And shared apartment actually come with their perks, comes with its perks, but then it's just what it is for a while. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.